Welcome to the Support FAQ Pipeline Walkthrough. We're taking the simplest of the 3 official samples, 20 customer tickets with handwritten answers, and walking it through every pipeline tab that does something useful on a seated demo. No training, no synthetic generation, just inspection. Data tab. 20 raw documents, 1 per source ticket. The seeder turned each row into a raw document record. Expand 1. You see the shape, a question, and an answer. This is what the model has to learn, the agent's writing style for these specific questions. Imagine pasting thousands of resolved tickets here and you've got the dataset for a real support assistant. Cleaning. Skip it for this sample. The corpus is already small and clean. For a messy, real-world corpus, this is where you chunk long text, redact personal info, mask toxicity, and score quality. Same word as the next sample's PII detector, but 2 completely different features. Cleaning here is a regex pre-processing step. The detector is a trained model. Gold set. 200 entries. Locked. This is the evaluation ground truth. Never trained against, only measured against. Each row has a question, an expected answer, and a rationale. The eval handler walks the entire 200-row set after training and reports the fraction the model got right. Synthetic. The lever that scales 20 source rows into 2,000 training rows. It runs a teacher model, local Olama on this machine, over your cleaned corpus, asking the teacher to generate matching question and answer pairs. Video 4 is the full walkthrough. We're not running it here. Dataset Prep. This is where the contract gets made. The adapter applied, question and answer pair, turns each row into the shape the trainer expects. Splits are already written. 16 train, 2 validation, 2 test. That's the deterministic 70-15-15 split with a 2-row floor on validation and test. Tokenization. Runs a tokenizer over the prepared splits and reports the length distribution. How many tokens per row? What maximum sequence length you budget for? The actual analysis needs a tokenizer download, which is its own setup. Surface only for this video. Training tab. No experiments yet. Normal. Jumping into the training config page. Essentials view by default. Base model, training mode, epochs, batch size, learning rate. Flip to advanced and you unlock the parameter controls. Low rank adaptation rank, target modules, optimizer choice. The defaults work. The controls are there when you need them. Launching a run is video 9. Evaluation tab. Empty until we have a finished experiment. This is where accuracy, F1, gate pass and fail, and side-by-side predictions would land. That's the Support FAQ tour. We touched 10 tabs without running anything heavy. Next video walks the same shape for the PII detector sample.